Mmm, smells delicious. Pizza, pizza, come and get your pizza. Only 25 cents a slice. Pizza, pizza, come and get your pizza. Mmm, delicious. Cheese pizza.
Look, Heidi, there's a pizza shop right there. You want to go eat some pizza? Yeah. Okay, let's do it. Left, right, and right again. Okay, Heidi, you're good to go. Okay, Heidi. Hi. Can we have cheese pizza, please?
Hi, sure. How many slices?
2 slices. Yep.
Okay, coming right up. Mmm, delicious. Slice number 1. Ooh, that's a big slice. Alright. And slice number 2. Alright. Alrighty, that'll be 50 cents, please.
Okay, thank you. Here, Heidi. Here you go.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Hey, you too. Bye.
Let's see our pizza. Yum, 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 yum. Mmm, nice cheese pizza. So good.
Only 8 more slices to go, and then I could go home and fall asleep. I don't see any customers around here, so I'll just take a little nap here.
That pizza was so good. Yep, last piece. Heidi, you want to get another slice? Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's go. Excuse me.
Oh, hi. How may I help you?
Hi, can we please have 2 slices of cheese pizza again?
Yeah. Oh, 2 pizzas? Okay. I thought there was 8 slices left. What happened? Wait, or was I just dreaming? No, I swear there was 8 slices left. I'm so sorry. Did you eat it, or did you eat it?
No, we didn't eat the pizza. It was a Heidi or me. Yeah.
Guys, comment down below. Did they eat the pizza or someone else did? And don't forget to put the big thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to go check out our new merch. Bye! Hzhtube Kids Fun. Bye.